Morning, campers. I got 3 goals today. Pitch a tent, make fire, and not cry.
Left is the trail, right is snacks. I'm going left with regrets. This tent, go up there, maybe upside down or emotionally unstable.
I may have created a very large sleeping mat.
Whoa. Extreme surprise. That rock betrayed me, its moist treachery.
Pretty sure a tick just whispered to me. His name's Kyle. He wants to move in.
Forgot trail mix, but found a 2022 granola bar. Good vintage.
This is it, my spirit meadow. I shall nap here forever. This tree's older than my grandma's grandma. That's emotionally intimidating. Don't look down, or do, and immediately regret it.
There's a squirrel eyeing my sandwich. It's him or me. He took the sandwich. I blinked. Nature is brutal. This view? Worth every twisted ankle. And stolen sandwich.
Just walked through a spider web. I'm haunted now.
I regret this shortcut. I'm one misstep from being part of the ecosystem.
My Fitbit says I've done 28,000 steps. My knees say why. Woo.
I made fire. Real fire. This is either a success or a forest alert.
Camping lesson. All fears fade when there's snacks and fire.
I'm either about to snack or hallucinate a jazz raccoon. Nope, that berry bush just growled. I'm out.
Did you hear that? That was either wind or Wendigo. Not scared, just being proactive about survival.
This tent is emotionally unsupportive and physically unaccommodating.
Okay. Stars, check. Wendigo, hopefully not.
I forgot my blanket. I'm using my dignity for warmth.
If anything happens, tell the forest I tried.
Okay.
Not bad. Just me, stars, and my emotional damage.
Thanks for watching. Barty's out.